Apple's entry-level iPhone lineup has always been about delivering flagship performance at a more accessible price point. The latest iteration, the iPhone 16e, is poised to continue this tradition with significant upgrades that make it a compelling choice for users seeking high-end features without the premium price tag. Design: a modern look with classic elements. The iPhone 16e adopts a design reminiscent of the iPhone 14, featuring an aluminum frame and a glass front and back. The device is available in two classic colors, black and white, offering a sleek and minimalist aesthetic. The front of the device boasts a 6.06-inch OLED display with a notch, providing a modern look and feel. One notable change is the removal of the physical home button. In its place, the iPhone 16e introduces Face ID, Apple's facial recognition technology, allowing for secure and convenient unlocking of the device. This shift aligns the budget-friendly model with the design language of higher-end iPhones. Display: a vivid OLED experience. The iPhone 16e features a 6.06-inch OLED display with a resolution of 2532 by 1170 pixels. This upgrade from the previous generation's LCD screen offers deeper blacks, more vibrant colors, and improved contrast ratios, enhancing the overall viewing experience. The display supports a 60 Hz refresh rate, ensuring smooth interactions for everyday tasks. Performance: power-packed with the A18 chip. Under the hood, the iPhone 16e is powered by Apple's A18 Bionic chip, the same processor found in the iPhone 16 and 16 Plus. Built on a 3nm process, the A18 chip delivers improved performance and energy efficiency compared to its predecessor. Coupled with 8 GB of LPDDR5X RAM, the iPhone 16e is capable of handling demanding applications, multitasking, and gaming with ease. The inclusion of Apple's in-house 5G modem, codenamed Centauri, marks a significant step in reducing reliance on third-party suppliers and enhancing connectivity. This modem supports faster 5G speeds and improved network efficiency, ensuring a seamless experience for users. Camera: capturing moments in high resolution. The iPhone 16e is equipped with a 48MP rear camera, a substantial upgrade from the 12MP sensor found in previous models. This high-resolution camera allows for detailed and sharp photos, even in low-light conditions. The front-facing camera has also been upgraded to 12MP, ensuring high-quality selfies and video calls. Battery life: all-day power. Battery life is a crucial aspect of any smartphone, and the iPhone 16e doesn't disappoint. The device houses a 3,279 mAh battery, a significant increase from the 2,018 mAh battery in its predecessor. This enhancement, combined with the efficiency of the A18 chip, provides all-day battery life under typical usage conditions. The iPhone 16e supports multiple charging options, including 20W wired charging and 15W wireless charging via Qi 2 and MagSafe. The inclusion of a USB-C port aligns with Apple's commitment to standardizing charging solutions across its devices. Software: iOS 18 with Apple Intelligence. Running on iOS 18, the iPhone 16e introduces Apple Intelligence, a suite of AI-powered features that enhance user experience. These include improved Siri capabilities, smarter notifications, and more intuitive app interactions, making the device more responsive and personalized. Pricing and availability. The iPhone 16e is expected to launch in early 2025, with pre-orders likely starting in February and general availability by the end of the month. Pricing is anticipated to start at $499 for the base model, offering exceptional value considering the premium features and performance. Conclusion: the best budget iPhone yet. With its modern design, powerful performance, high-resolution cameras, and all-day battery life, the iPhone 16e sets a new standard for budget smartphones. It combines the best aspects of Apple's flagship devices with an accessible price point, making it an excellent choice for users seeking a premium experience without the premium cost. Whether you're upgrading from an older iPhone or switching from another brand, the iPhone 16e offers a compelling package that meets the needs of today's smartphone users. Keep an eye out for its official announcement and availability in your region. This article provides a comprehensive overview of the iPhone 16e, incorporating the latest leaks and rumors to give readers an in-depth understanding of what to expect from Apple's upcoming budget-friendly smartphone.